in this question, we actually asked to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers, that being 270 and 504. So the very first step when we embark on a question like that is to proceed to prime factorize these two numbers, 270 and 504. Okay, so let's proceed to do prime factorization of 270. Can 270 be divided by 2? Okay, now take note, you only divide it by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and it goes on and on. Alright, because these are all prime numbers. So you only divide it by prime numbers or prime factors. So 270 divided by 2 is actually 135. 135. Can it be divided by 2? Nope. So 135 you divide it by 3. Okay, you get 45. Can 45 be divided by 3? So you go up the scale of prime numbers. So you try 2. If 2 cannot, you try 3. If 3 can't, you do it with 5. If 5 can't, you do it with 7, so on and so forth, until you get a 1. Okay, so so can 45 be divided by 3? Yes, you can. So you get 15. Can 15 be divided by 3? Yes, you can. Okay, 5 cannot be divided by 3, so 5 can only be divided by 5, so we move up, okay, the chain of prime numbers. So 5 divided by 5, you get 1. So we know from here 270 can be expressed as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5, which is 2 times 3 cubed times 5 if you were to express it in index notation. What about 504? 504 divided by 2, I get 252. 252 divided by 2, I get 126. Okay, divide by 2, 126, I can further divide by 2, I get 63. Now 63 can no longer be divided by 2, so let's try dividing it by 3. Yes, you can. You get 21. Okay, 21 divided by 3, I get 7. Can 7 be divided by 3? Nope. Can 7 be divided by 5? Nope. Can 7 be divided by 7 though? Yes, you can. So you get 1. So 504 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, which is 2 cubed times 3 squared times 7. Now let's focus on these two boxes here. Let me just box it up. Okay, how do I find the highest common factor of both numbers? To find the highest common factor of both numbers, all I have to do is multiply the lowest power of each set of common prime factors of the given number. So in this case, let us look at the numeral 2. What's the lowest power? 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1. What's the lowest power of 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 3? It's actually 2 to the power 1. Alright, what about 3 squared and 3 cubed? What's the lowest power? Which it's 3 squared. Now 7 and 5, nothing in common. Okay, so 2 times 3 squared is actually 2 times 9. It's actually equals to 18. Alright, so to find the highest common factor, let me just reiterate. You multiply the lowest power of each set of common prime factors of the given numbers. Okay, B. To find the lowest common multiple, okay, we have to multiply the highest power of each set of common prime factors. Also include any uncommon factors. So in this case, let's look at 2 cubed and 2 to the power 1. What's the highest power of each set? 2 to the power 3. Okay, let's look at 3 squared and 3 cubed. What's the highest power? 3 cubed. And then also you multiply any uncommon factors. So in this case, the uncommon factors are 5 and 7. Times 5 times 7, you get 7560. So these are the ways. This is a simplified way to actually find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers.